Don't know the rules of the road? That could be a life-threatening mistake. Hi, I'm Kendrick, your driving instructor. Welcome to another driving safety lesson where we explore critical road situations and teach you how to react properly. If you want to avoid fines and drive with confidence, make sure to stay with us until the end. Today, we'll be discussing a crucial topic: how to handle an emergency situation at a railroad crossing. This is one of those scenarios that every driver should be prepared for, whether you're an experienced driver or just starting out. Now, imagine this: you are driving and approaching a railroad crossing. Everything seems normal until, suddenly, your car stalls right in the middle of the tracks. In the distance, you hear the sound of an approaching train. The seconds are ticking down, and you need to act fast. What should you do? Here are 4 possible options to consider. Try to restart the engine and drive off as quickly as possible. Attempt to signal the train to stop. Push your car off the tracks before the train arrives. Immediately exit the vehicle with all passengers and move to a safe location. Take a moment to think about your answer. If you were in this situation, what would you do? Let us know in the comments below before watching the explanation. Now, let's break down this scenario and discuss the safest course of action if your car gets stuck on the tracks with an oncoming train in sight. Your priority should be your life and the lives of your passengers. The most critical step is to get everyone out of the car immediately and move to safety. However, there is an important detail that many drivers overlook: where you should go after leaving the car. Instead of running directly away from the train, you should move at a 45-degree angle in the direction from which the train is coming. This way, if the train collides with your car, you avoid being hit by flying debris. A train moving at high speed can send shattered metal and glass flying in all directions, creating a secondary danger zone. Once you and your passengers are at a safe distance, call 911 or use the emergency number displayed on the railroad crossing sign. Never assume that the train can stop in time to avoid a collision. A train traveling at 60 miles per hour can take over a mile to come to a complete stop, making it impossible for the conductor to react in time. Now, let's reveal the correct answer. The safest and only correct choice in this scenario is option 4. Get everyone away from the vehicle. If you chose this answer, congratulations. You made the right decision that could save lives. If not, don't worry. The goal of these lessons is to prepare you for real-life situations so that if they ever happen, you'll know exactly what to do. I'm Kendrick, your driving instructor. If you want to improve your driving skills, avoid costly mistakes, and stay safe on the road, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Remember, safe driving is not just about following rules, it's about making the right choices in every situation. Drive safely and take care.